Question number 15. FG has points F24 and G61. If FG is dilated with respect to the origin by a factor of K, and then we're looking at a dilation, to produce F prime G prime, which statement must be true? So it's looking at, it seems like it's asking a question about the new line, the dilated line FG. Some of the multiple choices are asking the new coordinate, giving you guys the new coordinate planes, and then some of them are talking about slope. In dilation, remember, if we are dilating about a certain point, especially about the origin, a lot of times slope might change, but sometimes the slope might stay the same, especially if it is a line. Now let's look at it. To make it a little bit simpler, I'm gonna insert a little image here so that we can easily see what the FG looks like. So the first point is 24, so I'm gonna mark 24 on this one. 24 would be axis 24 is right here, and the second point is gonna be 61. 61 is gonna be right here. Okay, now let's say that we are dilating it around the origin. That's what it's saying too. So I'm gonna go ahead and then change this one into, give me one second, here we go. We're gonna make a little line from here to this point and then this point. Now as you can see, the slope of this line is gonna be, it's going down 3 units and then it's going over 4 units. So the slope of, I'm gonna do slope of FG is equals to -3/4. Now based on this, I'm gonna connect these two lines to know that this is the FG, this is F, this is G, and it's dilated by a certain factor K. Now if we've dilated by a certain factor K, everything is going to be reduced by the same factor. So for instance, if F is reduced to this point, F prime, G is also going to be reduced by the same amount, scale factor. So in this case, it might just be somewhere around this. And if you look at the lines very carefully, they are parallel, and then parallel lines have the same slope. So the slope of F prime G prime would be -3/4. So scaling it down or dilating it by the about the origin is actually gonna maintain the slope of the two lines. So the correct answer based on this would be the line that passes through F prime G prime has a slope of -3/4, yeah, which is the same as the slope of FG. And then that completes this problem. The correct answer would be choice number D. Okay, and